Good morning student, I am Kuldeep Srivastava. Today I am going to cover the concept of equations of line which are parallel to x-axis and y-axis. The main concept of this topic is how can we represented line of one variable in the form of line of two variable. So first of all we will discuss about equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Equations of line parallel to x-axis and y-axis are totally depend on solutions of linear equation in one variable and solution of linear equation in two variable. As you know all, solution of one variable, solution of linear equation in one variable, there are only one solution. And when we talk about the solution of linear equation in two variable, then as we know that solution of linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Then equations parallel to x-axis or y-axis have only one solution when they are represented as linear equation. Linear equation. Main line is this one. When they are represented, it means when parallel line, equation of parallel line to x-axis or y-axis have only one solution when they are represented as linear equation. Means linear equations has only one solution, and then when they are represented as linear equation in two variable, then have infinitely many solution, because solution of linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solution. Okay, next we are going to discuss formation of line which are parallel to x-axis. Next we are going to discuss formation of line which are parallel to the x-axis. Parallel to the x-axis, then we write by equal to 0. Okay, and main concept of this topic is how can we represented linear equation in one variable in the form of linear equation in two variable. And we see that by is equal to c. By is equal to c. By equal to c and y is variable. B and C are constant. There are only one variable. It means an equation of the form ax plus b or ay plus b is equal to 0. Now we can write in the form of by minus c is equal to 0, and this equation is in the form of ay plus b or ay plus c and so on. It means one variable, two constant. That is the linear equation in one variable. But how can we write linear equation in one variable in the form of two variable? Then we can write there is only one variable by. The given equation is by is equal to c. Can we write 0 into x plus by equal to c? When we write 0 into x, the value of 0 into x is equal to 0. Now we can write 0x plus by is equal to c. Then we see that there are two variables, x and y. Both are variables. B and C are constant. Okay, this is the equation parallel to the x-axis where B and C are constant, x and y are variables. Now second we are going to discuss formation of line parallel to y-axis. Formation of line parallel to the formation of line parallel to the y-axis, it means we can write ax is equal to c. Okay, when we write formation of line parallel to the x-axis, then we write by equal to c, and when we write formation of line parallel to the y-axis, then we write ax is equal to c. Ax is equal to c. This is the linear equation in one variable, because here x is only one variable, a and c both are constant, where x is variable and a and c both are constant. Okay, and this is the linear equation in one variable. But how can we write ax is equal to c in the form of linear equation in two variable? We can write ax plus or minus 0 into y is equal to c. When we write 0 into y, the value of 0 into y is equal to 0. Now we can write ax is equal to c in the form of ax plus 0 into y is equal to c. This is the ax is equal to c. This is the linear equation in one variable, and when we write ax plus 0 into y is equal to c, this is the form of, not actually linear equation in two variable. This is the form of linear equation in two variable, one variable and two variable. This is the formation of line parallel to y-axis. Okay, let us understand this through example. Question is, solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 and represent the solutions on first one the number line, means on the number line, and second one on the Cartesian plane. Okay. Question is, solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. Then first of all, we solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. The given equation is 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. 2x plus 1, x is variable, then variable one's left side and constant is right side. It means we apply transposition method. 2x minus x is equal to minus 3 plus 1, on right side minus 1. Then 2x minus x is equal to x minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Okay, x is equal to minus 4, and when we get x is equal to minus 4, then minus 4 represent on first one number line and second one on the Cartesian plane. First we are going to represent x is equal to minus 4 on the number line. As you know very well, number line is a straight horizontal line, and this is the origin point. This is the origin, and point of origin is 0. On the right side is positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. On the right side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. X is equal to minus 4. X, it means on the x-axis. And when we are talking about number line, then midpoint is the origin, it means 0. On the left negative, on the right is positive. Minus 4, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This point is what? This is the x is equal to minus, x is equal to minus 4. Okay, this is the point, x is equal to minus 4. This is the linear equation in one variable. Okay, so next, when we discuss about when we represent 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 in linear equation in two variable, then plus 1 is equal to x minus 3, When we solve them, then we get x is equal to minus 4. Okay, x is equal to minus 4. This is the linear equation, but we convert in the form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, we can write x is equal to minus 4. The coefficient of x is 1. Then we can write in the form of x plus 0 into y is equal to minus 4. This is the form of linear equation in two variables. First variable is x and second variable is y. This is the form of linear equation in two variables. And when we draw the graph of linear equation in two variables, then first of all we write the form of, we express y in the terms of x. Then second we put the different values of x or different values of y, then we get the different values of x. And next one we make a table and write different values of x and y. Then we form a table. Here 0 into y, it means when we put any value of y, then the result is 0 into the value of y is always 0. Then we write first of all y and here x. Suppose when we put value of y is 0, then x is, when we put y equal to 0, then x plus 0 into 0 equal to minus 4. It means x plus 0 equal to minus 4, then x is equal to minus 4. When we put y equal to 1, when y equal to 1, then x plus 0 multiplied by 1 equal to minus 4. 0 into 1, x plus 0 equal to minus 4. Again we get the value of x is equal to minus 4. Next, when we put y equal to 2, then x plus 0 into 2 is equal to minus 4. X plus 0 equal to minus 4 and x is equal to minus 4. Again we get, when we put the value of y is equal to 2, then x is equal to minus 4. It means the value of x is always same and the value of y is different. Okay, now we are going to plot these points on Cartesian plane, it means graph paper. Points are x, y or yx is equal to minus 4, 0, minus 4, 1, minus 4, 2. Clear? Next, we draw x-axis and y-axis. This is origin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Upward positive, downward negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means a downward negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And this is the center. It means intersection point, origin. The point of origin is 0, 0. Now we are going to plot these points. First point is minus 4, 0. Minus 4, it means we take minus 4 on the x-axis, then this one is minus 4. On y-axis 0, this point is minus 4, 0. Second, minus 4, 1. Minus 4 and on y-axis 1. Minus 4, 1. Third one, minus 4, 2. Minus 4, same point, and on y-axis 2. Minus 4, 2. Next, join all points by a straight line. This is the straight line, and this line parallel to y axis. This is y axis and this one x axis, and this straight line is parallel to the y axis, and this line represent the equation x is equal to minus 4. This is the equation of x is equal to minus 4. Okay, and this line is parallel to the y axis, and this line represent the equation x is equal to minus 4. When x is equal to minus 4 is the linear equation, but this line is exactly equation of line x plus 0y is equal to minus 4. Okay, when we write x is equal to minus 4, then that line is represents linear equation in one variable, and when we write x plus 0y is equal to 4 is x plus 0y is equal to minus 4, then this line represents the linear equation in two variables. Okay, thank you class.